How to delete WhatsApp messages permanently. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete messages in WhatsApp, whether it's just for yourself, for everyone involved, or simply to keep your chats clean and organized. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, simply select the chat where you want to delete the message from. And here, once you're inside the chat, just locate the chat that you want to delete. And once you have located it, just long press on the chat. And after that, a tons of options will pop up at the upper side of the screen. So from here, simply tap on the trash icon which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And once you tap on it, a confirmation message will pop up. From there, you can simply delete for you or delete for everyone. So here, simply tap on delete for everyone, and once you do that, you will be able to delete WhatsApp messages permanently. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.